So here we have this VANSPACE gaming chair. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox it, show you how to put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Alright, and there's everything that came with it. There's the main parts for the seat, some cushions, then there's some smaller parts in this box, then the nuts and bolts to put it together, and the instruction manual. But anyway, let's go ahead and put it together, and of course I'm going to time it to see how long it takes. First, we're going to take the bottom seat cushion, and the screws come pre-installed, so we got to unscrew all of them. Then we can attach this adjustment mechanism with those 4 screws we just pulled out. Make sure to line the front up with the front of the seat. Then we can screw on these 2 guide pieces for the footrest. Screw the footrest cushion to the sliding part, slide it into the mounts like this, and then screw in this stopper screw. Now we can put together the base, and it's super simple because it's a single piece. All we have to do is slide in these 5 casters, and then drop in this gas strut. Now we can take that bottom cushion we just made and set it on top, then slide the T-bar into its socket, make sure it's angled backwards with that red tape facing out, and tighten down the knob. Then attach the backrest to the T-bar using those 3 screws that were already installed on the backrest. Then connect these wires together, and now we can attach the armrest. To do that, pull these 2 screws out, line up the armrests, and then screw them back in. It also comes with these 2 plugs you can use to hide the screw holes. Then spin it over to the other side and do the same thing to attach this armrest. Now we can attach the 2 cushions, and the instructions aren't the best on how to do this, but basically you're going to want to slide these straps through the gap at the bottom here, and then clip them together at the back. And then for the head pillow, just put the straps through the 2 holes and clip them together. Alright, and there we go, it's all put together. That was pretty simple. The chair also looks pretty cool, and it took just about 12 minutes to put together. It has a nice sturdy 1-piece aluminum base, and then it has these upgraded silicone casters. It has a footrest you can pull out and fold out. It is a nice big cushion. It's about 2.5 to 3 inches thick. It's covered in the soft faux leather with a cool red and black design. It also has a footrest you can pull out and fold out. Nice cushion on here too. The armrests also have some cushion, as well as the back of the chair. But in between, it is hollow. And then it also has this pillow for your head. It is pretty comfortable, but these side pieces do get in the way of me spreading out my legs. Of course, there's a lever to adjust the height, super easy. And then if you pull up this lever here, you can lean back in the chair. The footrest is a little bit short though, and you can only lean back a little bit. But anyway, this chair has a couple cool features. One of those being the 2 speakers on the back here. The speakers actually work pretty well. They sound nice. And if you turn them up loud enough, you can feel the bass. The massage function and the lumbar support is pretty soft, but it's still nice. And then if you like RGB lights, then these are super cool too. And of course it comes with a remote, batteries included, to control that. Overall, this is a nice and comfortable gaming chair, and the extra features are super cool.